Hello friends, greetings from Iceland. I will make a brief update on what is going on with volcanic eruption at Litlihrutur mountain, Iceland in Reykjanes Peninsula. This is the Reykjanes Peninsula. This is the southwesternmost tip of Iceland. That's where Reykjavik is situated. And that's where I live. I live here in Thorlakshavn on the Reykjanes Peninsula. So I don't live far from the volcano. Here the black fields are the lava fields from 2021 and 2022. 2022 we had volcanic eruption right here. This is the crater of 2022, and you can see plenty of videos from that eruption on my channel, also from the new one. So where the new eruption took place? It took place right here next to this mountain called Litlihrutur. First, Icelandic media reported that eruption took place northwest of Litlihrutur, or Little Ram, but the reality is it took place to the north, or slightly to the northeast. Right here at the foothills of this mountain, Litlihrutur, we have volcanic eruption ongoing already for soon 1 week. On Monday at 5 p.m. it will be 1 week since the eruption started, and all the lava is going south, is moving south, because the volcano is situated on the southern slope of Reykjanes Peninsula. The highest point of Reykjanes Ridge, Reykjanes Peninsula, is to the north of the volcano. That's why the lava is moving south, just like the water, in the direction of where it's lower towards the ocean. And lava is moving currently from Litlihrutur. It went here between those two mountains. It flooded this Sand Valley here. I used it to bike this valley. It was a beautiful valley there, but no vegetation, completely flooded. It looks like a bathtub, this valley. You see there was some pool of rain pool even there. But it's completely sand valley, glacial moraine from 11,000 years ago or older. From glaciers retreated from Iceland, it left those moraines with no vegetation. And then it moved further south, and now it's reached the lava fields here. You see the northeasternmost tip of 2021 and 2022 eruption. You see here all the lava and the newer lava. 2022, this darker field, and then you see 2021 lava. So it matched already with the old lavas from 2021 and 2022. It went straight south like this, and it's filling now Fagradalsfjall Valley, but it's also spilling into to the east here in this lowland, and there is lots of vegetation here in this lowland. Volcano is right here, and there's lots of vegetation here, and it's all on fire because we haven't had really proper rain for days now in Iceland. It's not only hot in Europe, but also in Iceland. We have pretty high temperatures, warm, rather warm, unusually warm July, plus 16, plus 17, and we had very little rain, just one day, just a little bit of rain, but otherwise, since volcano erupted, there was no rain. And they're using helicopters to extinguish those fires, because volcano is situated basically in a lowland. If previous eruptions were in the highlands here in the mountains, where there is little vegetation, and you know, Fagradalsfjall volcano, Fagradalsfjall 2021 erupted. It was in spring when it was cold, or 15th of February or something like this. Early spring. It was very cold in Iceland. There was no vegetation, so it didn't cause any harm. But now it's very warm. We have lots of moss and crowberries growing in this valley, and it's all on fire. That's kind of different case, different situation, because of those fires they cause a lot of smoke, which are driven to the south towards the ocean. And the only trail, official trail to the volcano, is from the south, from this mountain. We call it the Skalamælifell. It's parking lot number 2. Here you see it. It's 9.2 kilometers high towards the volcano from there, and all the smoke is going over the trail, you know, straight to the south. Now it's to the southwest today for days, and people can't access the volcano. and it's completely closed for days now. Since Thursday, July 13th, 9 a.m. in the morning, they closed it, and ever since today is already Sunday night, they haven't reopened it, you know. But I already made 2 trips. There was a brief period of 42 hours when Volcano was open, and we can see plenty of videos. Also from the first day of the eruption, I have videos. So lava is going south and will be spilling over Meradalir here, further flood in Meradalir, and also here slightly to the east, but not to the north. It went a little bit to the north. Originally we had like 7 or 8 fissures. It wasn't just one fissure straight line, but several fissures. I will show you this on a separate image. So here you see all the fissures that emerged during the first day of the eruption, and I filmed it. And we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fissures at least. And now it's only one is erupting right next to Litlihrutur, somewhere here. Just 300 meters away from Litlihrutur mountain, Little Ram mountain. Well, all those northern fissures, they are gone, extinct, not erupting. And I saw also more small cracks here to the north when I was walking. And here at the southernmost fissure, it produced a sort of a bubbling cave. When I was there last time, it seems like it was active and was some sort of a cave there. Lava was bubbling over the lava flowing from the north. So it was inside of the lava flow, this fissure. And it formed a small cave there. But now it's only one fissure is active, one vent, and we have a crater cone building up around this vent right here, and it's building up pretty fast, about 3 meters per day in height. 3 meters growing very fast. Mountain is just getting bigger and bigger. And they have a webcam here on Litlihrutur, so you can see it live, how it's developing from live cams. Here is another image over the lava fields from 2021, 2022 and 2023. So as you see, the red field is current lava field. It's actually already extended all the way here to the green fields, yellow fields, and it's already over the older lava. And it's going here into Meradalir already by a very narrow lava field that is stretching from north to south, and is already merged with old lava fields from 2021, 2022. And it will be spilling to the southeast also beyond this small mountain here as well. Eventually it will be traveling into this valley sooner or later. We will spill over from Meradalir and go south towards the ocean. I don't know if we will reach the ocean, because volcanic eruptions on the Reykjanes Peninsula are not that big usually. You know, to reach the ocean like of 10 kilometers, you really need a lot of lava, and there are many valleys on the way to flood them before it can continue. So it can take a long time before it reaches the ocean. Maybe 1 year it will reach the ocean, but at the moment it's going into Meradalir. This volcanic system is called Fagradalsfjall volcanic system, and the same type of lava as 2021, 2022, the same composition, the same heat. It's from the same dike, from the same chamber as 2021 and 22 eruptions, and it's very reminiscent of the volcano of 2021. It's very similar, cone in shape. And that 2021 eruption lasted for 6 months, so very likely this eruption will also last for 6 months. But unlike previous eruptions, as I told, current eruption is in the lowland, in the vegetation valley full of moss and all kinds of plants, and it's all on fire, so it's not as friendly smoke-wise as previous eruptions, also because it's warm and it's the summer. It's a different kind of eruption. We have different setting, different surrounding, different season of the year. That's what it makes harder to access. It's also harder to get there. One can even walk the old Trail B here to access it from the west, because now it's closed. You see, this passage here is closed. You can't get to the west side. If you walk the trail, official trail from the south, is only if you bypass it from the west, by old Trail A or Trail B, here bypassing those lava fields. going here to Meradalir. That you can film it from Litlihrutur, those mountains. But now the wind is going that direction, so hopefully when the wind will change, we will film everything where the lava went. And today I also plan to make a hike from the north or the east to access the lava field and make some videos. And now here you see another map showing you the height of the mountains and the terrain. As I told, current eruption is here in the lowlands. Yellow, marked yellow red lines here. That's where we have currently the vent, the cone is building up. Just another mountain, as you see those mountains from the Ice Age. The same volcanic system has been built up here in a new mountain. I don't know the age of those mountains, but 10,000 years and more in the Ice Age they formed up. And they're all cone-shaped from the Ice Age when Iceland was covered by the glaciers. But the red field is from 2021 and 2022. You see, lava spilled down here into the valleys of Meradalir. This is Meradalir Valley, the red, the bright red color is Meradalir Valley. And currently lava is going, it's already flooded all this. Here is a small valley here next to Kistufat. This mountain is called Kistufat. Next after Litlihrutur or Coffin Mountain, it's already filled this valley, and it's all sand here, so it's only didn't do any harm to anybody, just filled the sand moraine, and it's merged with this Meradalir lava field and is going in here right now, packing Meradalir and also spilling here around the cone all around. I will make some videos today, you'll see it better from the drone and from my videos from today on July 16th, 17th, you'll see new videos from the eruption side. I wish you all the best, be well.